Hi guys, we're at the cathedral, and I come here and I do about an hour, sometimes an hour and a half. It lets me think. I walk pretty fast, but Melissa has come with me today because she wants to get fit and sexy.
Yeah.
Now me and Melissa,
Like Kuya Chris.
yeah, are very good friends, right? Quite close, not close, but quite close. She's very comfortable with me anyway. There's not many Filipinas are like this where they'll come out with a guy, and especially a guy that's married, they'll not do it. You might have seen Melissa on another video. But anyway, I keep getting asked about Filipinas and foreigners, and what do they see in foreigners, you know? Why do they want foreigners? Do they prefer foreigners? Do they prefer Filipino men? You know, what's your preference? Do you prefer foreigners or Filipinos?
Maybe both, Kuya Chris. But I want
Louder, please.
maybe both, Kuya Chris, because I want good in a heart person. That's what I want. Either of the two, Kuya Chris.
Well, I've heard from other Filipinas that one of many reasons they want a foreigner is they've normally got good hearts. I mean, obviously there's exceptions, and the main thing for a Filipina is they won't cheat. They're very faithful. So, how old are you now, Melissa?
I'm already 32 years old, Kuya.
32 years old?
Yeah.
My God, that's so old. Right, 32 years old. Let's say, just for example, you wanted a foreign guy. How old would you go to, do you think? Between, like, say 40 to, well, I'm just saying that, 40 to 50.
40 it's okay for me, Kuya Chris.
Why is that? Why do
Maybe
Filipinas say age is just a number?
because Kuya Chris, for me Kuya Chris, older ages must be like a responsible one, or what do you call this, Kuya Chris?
Mature.
Yeah, mature.
Mature.
Kuya Chris. Mature.
But what happens, you see, it's like me, right? When I was 50, I looked better than I do now because I've lost a lot of weight. Don't you girls think ahead to when the guy's probably not getting around so good, and you know, what happens if you go with a guy and then all of a sudden he has medical issues? You've got to do lots of things for him, you know. Maybe have to.
For me, Kuya Chris,
You know?
Talking is the number one. Talking with each other is the number one.
Being able to communicate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Communication is the one key of that. Maybe if you just realize of the both of you.
So how would you cope with the situation? For example, if you were with a foreigner and he did get ill, I mean, looks fade, don't they? I mean, he's going to look really a lot older than you, and there's going to be other situations where he's lost interest in other things, if you know what I mean without me being
Yeah,
crude.
Kuya Chris, yeah,
What happens then?
I don't know, because I didn't do with that situation, Kuya Chris. But
No, well, yeah, but can't you imagine yourself in that situation? Because it really puzzles me how Filipinas can go with a foreigner where there's a massive age gap. The foreigner, when they meet, is maybe probably very healthy, young looking.
Yeah.
A few years, he's going to look a lot different and probably not as, you know, virile as he once was.
For me, if you love that, man,
Yeah.
if you really love that man,
You will adapt and look after
yeah,
him.
yeah, Kuya
Okay.
Chris, because you accept what he was when he is not like that, Kuya Chris. So when he became like that, so you can look after him because you love him.
That's great. That's great.
Yeah, you accept everything. You accept what he is when you are in when you just started. So
Yeah.
maybe in the last, maybe you should be the one who will look for her, even he is maybe he's sick or he is older than you now.
So basically, you would look after him through thick and thin. It doesn't matter
Kuya
what
Chris,
happens because
you accept. I accept him
From day one.
From day one, and I love him. So maybe if he will be sick in the future, I will look for her.
It doesn't matter. You'll look after him.
Yeah, it doesn't matter for me because I love him from the very first. Then I will love him from the forever.
How sweet. Anyway, guys,
Okay.
as you can see, it's getting dark.
Darker.
I'll give you a quick look round. That's the cathedral. The cathedral's beautiful.
Yeah.
So I don't know if you can see me, guys, but I've lost a lot of weight. And things is just getting better and better and better. I'm loving it. So I hope you've enjoyed this quick video. It was just a spur of the moment thing because Melissa wanted to be with me. She wants to lose weight, genuinely. She wants to lose weight. So I'm teaching her to drop some weight. She's not big and she's only petite, but she wants to get down to stunning again. Although she's stunning now, I keep telling her. But so that's it, guys. Please subscribe, please hit the like button, and please watch the videos to the end and hit that notification bell, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Bye.